my name is Caitlin. I am from the popular blog grassfedgirl.com, and I'm a holistic nutrition consultant. And for the last 10 years, I've been healing myself from Hashimoto's. So I share a lot about holistic lifestyles, and welcome to my channel. We're gonna make Hollandaise sauce today. Really quick, easy Blender Hollandaise sauce. First, I will show you the blender method that's super simple. What you're gonna need to make this is some butter, and 8 ounces of butter, and 2 eggs, and you can use some salt if you want to, you don't have to, and then a little bit of vinegar. If you have apple cider vinegar, that works really good too. Either one, or you could use lemon juice. If you like it more lemony, you put a whole lemon. If you want just a little bit of lemon, use half a lemon. Okay, so get your ingredients ready. You want only the egg yolks, so separate your yolks. Then you want your melted butter, and you also want your teaspoon of vinegar, and then your salt if you're using that. So get all those ready. You want to mix your vinegar with your eggs. I just do it before because sometimes the blender is very shallow and it doesn't work well. So just mix it up before. Okay, so now you want to pour your eggs into your blender. While the blender is on low, you want to very slowly pour the melted butter into the blender in a very thin stream. Go as slow as you can, and this will help the sauce to emulsify. After you have used up about half the butter, you should start to see the sauce thickening in the blender. It is very luscious and creamy. When you have used all the butter up, you should have a nice thick sauce. Now it's thickening up, and this is what it should look like when you have used up all of your butter. Delicious. So now you can see, look how beautiful that is. It's thick, and it's perfect for putting on fish or chicken or whatever. Eggs. Delicious, so fast. Now stay tuned for the immersion blender method. It's very easy. Okay, so first you want to melt some butter. So just put it over medium and melt it, or you can do it in the microwave. So I'm going to use this 8 ounces of this kind of butter. Next, you want to separate your eggs. So you want to put your yolks and your whites separate. So you can just kind of go like that and then put it over in a separate bowl, and then you could save this to make like egg white bread or something like that. So you want to do it twice so that you have your yolks over here. Now you want to have everything ready, set up. So have your melted butter, your egg yolks, your vinegar, and your immersion blender. You put your egg yolks in. This is a really tall glass, so it's like a Yeti. And then you're gonna add your vinegar. And I'm gonna add my 1 teaspoon of vinegar. And then you're gonna immersion blend it. So now you're going to add your butter. You can see it's really thickening up quick. Okay, so all I did was add that butter really slowly, and I just kept going, and it's really nice. Look at that. Now, if it gets too thick, you can add just a little bit of water. And this goes great with fish, but you need to serve it right away, because if you don't, you could do it with poached eggs, but if you don't, then it will not be good. So just serve it right away. Make it right before you're gonna serve your food. And it's just so easy and so quick. Look at that. This is my poached eggs with hollandaise, and it is so delicious. I mean, just ridiculous. Look how yum. Okay, well, I'm so excited at how this turned out. Look at that, thick and creamy. And this is great if you want to put it on chicken or fish or whatever. And you need to store it at room temperature for a few hours if you're gonna cook it ahead of time. Now, if you want to, it doesn't really reheat. When you reheat it, it separates, so that's not ideal, and it's not gonna be good. Sometimes if I wanna reheat it the next day, I just let it get back to room temperature and it tastes okay. It's not great, but it's better than nothing. So really, you wanna make this right when you're about to eat it. That's most ideal. So if I take it to a brunch or something, I just make it right before I go, or I just make it right before I'm about to have the steaks done. So I'm going to show you what it looks like on some steaks. This is one of my favorite ways to make it. I just put filet mignon and some butter, and then I put my hollandaise sauce after it's cooked. Okay, so they're all done. Now, we're just going to put our hollandaise sauce all over it. Does that look good? And then you just eat this right away. It's delicious. This is the first bite. Oh my gosh. Look at the sauce. Delicious. Okay, so there you go. That's how you use it. You just put it on some steaks or chicken or fish or eggs, and this is delish. I am so excited to go eat, and I'm really hungry now. And hollandaise is just a wonderful, wonderful way to increase your fats, and there's super healthy fats, and you get good egg yolks and choline and omega-3s and you name it, eggs and butter, you can't go wrong. So super easy. Don't be intimidated by hollandaise sauce. I have a full recipe in my ebook. I'll put the link right up here, and you can get that down in the description box. And it's 26 recipes in that ebook, and this is one of them, and it's super popular. So I hope you like it, and you will try this at home. It's super easy, and let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. Please subscribe, like my channel, share with a friend. I really appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Enjoy.